Friends, I am Ritik. Today I am going to say about the story Aladdin. Once there used to be a boy named Aladdin. His father used to do a job at a shop. After some days, his father had died. One day, a stranger came and said that he was his uncle. He said that I am going to take you near a treasure so that you can have some money. Then suddenly, after traveling so many days, finally he reaches the a place where the uncle will say some magical words, and suddenly a opens a way. He follows the instructions given by his uncle and took all the fruits and diamonds and came with the lamp. The uncle will try to keep him there. Then, with the help of the ring, he'll come back to home. He will rub the lamp. Then a genie will come out and gives all his wishes. Uh, After he saw the queen, he loves the queen, so that he want to marry her. So he started by using the lamp. He became rich, had built a palace, and made everything. Now he married the queen, but the uncle came with the by a trick that he took the old lamp and gave the new lamp. Then the Sultan said that he will kill him. That he gave him 3 days of time. He will find the palace and take the lamp from the Sultan, and again becomes the prince and lives happily forever. Thank you, friends. Hello, friends. I am Ritvik. Today I am going to say about the story Aladdin. Once there used to be a boy named Aladdin. His father died when he was 15 years. Then suddenly his uncle will come and will ask him that I am going to take you near the treasure. Then Aladdin will take with the help of the uncle and finds the treasure. His uncle will say some magical words and he will find the place of the treasure. And as he follows the instructions of the uncle and tries to take the lamp and the jewels. He come to his jewels with the help of the lamp. He rubs the lamp and suddenly a genie will come out. The genie will give him whatever he wants. Suddenly he will fell in love with some Sultan's daughter. Sultan will keep some conditions to marry to Aladdin to marry his daughter. Aladdin, with the help of the lamp, easily succeeds in for those conditions and succeeds in these conditions and finally becomes has a palace. Then suddenly the old uncle came and says that she took the old lamp and gives the new lamp. Then suddenly, with the help of the queen, he will give some drink to the uncle and he will take the lamp back again. Thank you, friends. Hello, friends. I am Ritvik. Today I am going to say about the story Aladdin. Once there used to be a boy named Aladdin. His father died when he was 13 years. Then his father then he used to take care of the shop. One day suddenly a stranger came and says that I am your uncle, I need your help to find the treasure. Aladdin will go with the uncle and travel some days and finds the treasure. Aladdin follows the uncle rules and also goes near the treasure and took the lamp. But uncle will try to keep him there. But Aladdin, with the help of the ring, will come to his house. Now Aladdin, the mother will rub the lamp, and the genie will come out and say your wish. His mother will ask that I had ate. I was very hungry. Give me feast. Then there was so many items on the plate. on the table, and her mother has sold those plates and got some essentials. With the help of the lamp, they became very rich. Suddenly, he will fell in love with some queen. Then he will marry her. Then he will marry her. Then he was able to win all. Then suddenly the uncle will came and say that we will take new lamps and give new lamps. That the queen don't know and give the old lamp. So again he had the lamp. Then Aladdin will find her wife, and with the help of her wife, he was able to get back the lamp again. Now this time the Aladdin will say that to the genie that his uncle has to be somewhere in the desert and he has to have to become prince. Then ever after they lived happily. Thank you, friends.